Nana.
What
Flynn, do you know what the sheep says? What does the sheep say? Very good. Ba. What does the cow say? The cow?
Moo.
Yes, very good. Cow says moo.
Moo.
What does the lion say?
Yeah.
What does the lion say?
Yeah.
Roar.
Is that?
You gotta be scary lion. Ready? Roar. Show mommy, what does the lion say?
Yeah.
There you go. What does the duck say?
That.
Quack, quack.
Yeah.
What does the mouse say?
Yeah.
Squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak. Yeah. What does the rooster say? Very good. Tell mommy again. That's right. What else do we know? The doggy. What does the doggy say? What does the doggy say? Yeah, ruff, ruff.